So, this is my, new set. And I'm going to make a story on it. It's called James Having Fun. James was a shiny red engine, and he lived with 4 more engines named Mavis, Belle, Den, and Rheneas. And there was 2 more sheds, or 2 more engines to visit. And then Charlie and Proteus, the on-top lamp engines. The on-top lamp engines. Yeah, that's what it's called. And they hopped into the spots. James was glad to see Charlie, cause Charlie was pointing at James. Charlie's shed was pointing to James's shed. So they just decided to go out and have fun. Then Winston stopped James right on the points. "Whoa!" said James. And then Charlie screeched to a stop right behind James's tender. You have a job to do. You're gonna collect some coaches and bring them to Bluffs Cove. "Okay," said James, and Winston puffed away. And Charlie, let's go down there," said Charlie. "We can't, it's very bumpy," said James. "But it'll be fun," said Charlie. So they went along the bumpy track. I'm gonna make some bumps. Okay, you guys see the bumps? Mm-hmm. And James went along the bumps. And Charlie did as well. And they had a race. James won. Okay, so James reversed and bumped the trucks. Clang, cling, right into Den. And nearly knocked him off the rails. Laughed the trucks. Controls the truck, and then bumped the truck back and bumped into James. And James was nearly knocked off the rails at the bend. Whoa, said James. So, Controls truck nearly bumped James again. Phew, that was close to James. And James put the trucks back in its siding. So, and we're having fun. And soon, James was coming to his coaches. Look at all 5 of James's coaches. How cool is it?
Very cool.
So, James and Charlie thundered down the line. And the couplings were jiggling looser and looser. And soon, the coupling snapped. And Jesus' coaches were rolling by themselves. And James and Charlie arrived at the station. And Sir Tom Hack was very, very cross. James, where are your coaches? said Sir Tom Hack. I'm so sorry, said James. But I was going really fast and the couplings must have snapped. So you better go and find the coaches, said Sir Tom Hack. So James went to his coaches. So James pulled his hardest, and finally he pulled off with all his strength. And finally got the cars into the station. He got the train in the station. And James arrived at Buff's Cove. And the coaches derailed and nearly fell into the water. And Percy helped the coach onto the tracks. And then passengers got out and took pictures. The end. So we're going to do the thank yous, but never mind. So all right. thank you, a 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 thank you. So first we're looking at Den. So Den is a diesel from Diesel Works. And she is very cool and so she's with Dirt. So now we're looking at Mavis. She's the diesel from the Black Quarry. Let's zoom on it. Zoom.
You can't. You gotta put her right in front of the camera.
How about